everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to log out of Coinbase on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you wish to log out of your Coinbase account, since you are done using your Coinbase for the day on your desktop, then from the main homepage, which looks like this of Coinbase, go to the upper right hand corner right where your profile icon is located. Give it a click and you should see a pop-up. In the pop-up, you'll be able to see your settings menu, appearance, reports, help, and sign out button. To sign out of your account or log out of your account, click on the sign out button and you'll be able to log out or sign out of Coinbase on your desktop. If you're using a public device and you'd like to protect your account's security, then you should be logging out of the account. So that was how you can easily log out or sign out of Coinbase on your desktop. To log in back again, you should click on the sign in button from the main homepage of Coinbase and follow the on-screen prompts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.